Hey folks, you ever get sold a brake job at an oil change place? Or any place? And all they do is just change the brake pads? And then all of a sudden a month later, you get all kinds of noises coming from your brakes? Watch this video. Hey folks, for a lot of you folks that like to do your own work and like to do a little brake jobs for yourself and replace the brake pads, and you think your rotors are good because they don't look that bad. They look good. They're metal. They'll last for ages. Look at the condition of your rotors. Look at that. You can see the rust is starting to go in. And you can see it's not even a smooth surface anymore. Okay? And you see the grooves? That's going to give you brake noises. Now look at the back. So I can shine it for you in the back. Okay? Everybody looks at the front because that's what you see. But if you don't take the rotors off, the back is the problem. Look at that. Look at that. The surface, it's not even a surface anymore. Can you see it? Look at that. It's all rust. Let's go to the other side. No, look at the surface. See it? It's all rusty. It's gouged. That's the way all your noises are when you put your new brake pads on. Now you can see the back on this one. Let me see if I can turn this rotor over. Alright, let's look at this rotor. Let's see, you can see, look in there. Yeah, you can see the surface of this one. Okay? That's not good. Let's look at the rears. Oh, look at that. Pitted like you wouldn't believe. Look at that. Yeah. Always change your rotors with your brake pads, people. Let's go to the sunny side. See what this one looks like. Here is the other side. Can you see it? Even without the flash, like you tell this rotor's going. Okay? Over age. Okay? As the rotors get older, they sit in the northeast rust here, and this is what happens. Alright? You can see the contact surface is basically where it's shiny. Alright? That's it. People, change your rotors when you do your brake pads. Do the proper job. That's the way you should do it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.